Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to automatically forward message from other channel to your server on Discord. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Have you ever wanted to automatically forward message from other Discord channel directly to your own server? Whether you're managing a community sharing announcement, tracking updates, or keeping your member informed, setting up automatic message forwarding can save you a lot of time and effort. So in this today's video, I will show you how to do it, how to forward message from other server channels to your own server channel. It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our server or Discord. Here's my channel, Fizzy Pro is my channel on Discord, and I want to automatically share forward a message from this Discord server, Fish It. I want to automatically forward message from this channel, okay, to my channel, Fizzy Pro 3. How to do it? It's very simple. So to do it, you can just follow this channel on the server. You can open the channel that you want to forward the message to your server. After that, you'll find there is an option follow. Follow to get this channel update in your server. You can select on follow. You can send to, select on send to your channel. This one. You can select channel on your server. You want to forward this message to your channel on Discord test, for example. After that, you can just select on follow. Got it? Now you can open your channel. So this one has update. Added fish it can update to this channel. It most important update will show up here. So when uh, this channel fish it send a message to the channel that you follow, the message will be automatically sent or forward to your channel. It's very simple, right? So that is how to automatically forward message from other channel to your server on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.